Hi, this is Bellagio Homes. Bellagio Homes is a gated estate consisting of 20 units located in Kitengela. The estate is located exactly 700 meters from Kitengela Isinya Road. The print area of each of these units is 143 square meters and the price is 9.8 million. Each unit is a 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom, semi-detached maisonette, as you can see. Today, I'm going to give you a tour of one of these units and I'm very sure you'll like it. So please, give us a thumbs up. Let's start. Each unit comes with a 2-car parking, as you can see, and you have a section here and there for your greenery. Let's hop in. This is the living room of this maisonette, and as you can see, it's big enough for your family. Right now, we have a 5-seater couch that I believe is enough for your family. The living room comes with this beautiful center light and very high ceilings that magnifies the beauty of this room. The room is well lit as it gets a lot of light from this window and the door pane. On my right hand side, you have the dining area of this maisonette, and as you can see, it's a 4-seater dining table, but it's big enough to set a 5-seater or a 6-seater dining table. The dining area comes with this center light that gives you maximum light when you are enjoying your meal on this dining table. The dining area is separated from the kitchen by this black wall, which makes the dining area look very elegant. Before we get to the kitchen, you have this door that leads to the backyard. Let's have a look at the kitchen. This is the kitchen of the maisonette, and it comes with upper and lower cabinets. In addition to that, you have several drawers that increase your storage. This kitchen comes with this black granite countertop that blends very well with the whites. On this other side, you have a section here that is set aside for your cooking stove. Next to it, you have the sink area. In addition to that, you have more storage here and below the sink area, and this door leads to the kitchen garden. This other section is set aside for your fridge. Let me show you the bedroom areas. On this level, we have 1 bedroom that acts as the guest bedroom. On the upper level, we have the other 3 bedrooms. But before I show you the guest bedroom, this is the common bathroom. Let's have a look. The bathroom comes with a sink and a water closet. Also, you have a mirror that comes with a shaving light. Let's head to the guest bedroom. This is the guest room of this bedroom, and it's big enough to fit a 4x6 bed. On my left hand side, you have the closet of this bedroom, and on my right hand side, you have the bathroom of this bedroom. Let's have a look at the closet. The closet is big enough for your guests, and it comes with a set of drawers. Let's have a look at the washroom of this bedroom. This bathroom comes with its sink here, and it comes with a mirror and a shaving light. Here you have the water closet of this bathroom. On the other side, you have the showering area, and it comes with these showering equipments. That's all about this level. Let's head up and have a look at the other 3 bedrooms. On my right hand side and on my left hand side, you have the 2 kids' bedrooms. On my far front, you have the primary bedroom. Let's start with one of the kids' bedrooms. This is one of the kids' bedrooms, and it's big enough to fit a 5x6 bed. Its closet is here. Let's have a look. As you can see, it's big enough for your kids, and you have an extra section here for more storage. This bedroom comes with a very big window that brings a lot of light during the day. Let's have a look at the second bedroom. From the first kid's bedroom, this is the second kid's bedroom. Let's have a look. But before I show you that, let me show you the shared bathroom. This is the shared bathroom, and you have your bathroom area here with your showering equipment. You have your water closet here, and you have your sink. That comes with a mirror and a shaving light. Let me show you the bedroom. This is the second kid's bedroom, and it's slightly bigger than the first one. This bedroom comes with its closet here. Let me show you. And this closet comes with 2 drawers that come in handy. You also have extra storage here, and that is enough for your kids. On this side, you have an area that can fit a 5x6 or a 6x6 bed. The window of this bedroom is on the opposite side of the closet, and it gives you a very good view of the rest of the estate. Let's have a look at the primary bedroom. From the second bedroom, this is the primary bedroom. Let's have a look. The primary bedroom is way bigger than the other bedrooms, and it comes with his and hers closet, or vice versa. This bedroom is big enough to fit a 6x6 bed or a king size bed. Let me show you one of the closets. This closet comes with a sectioned part here, and on the other side you have more storage that comes with 2 drawers. This door leads to the bathroom of this bedroom. Let's have a look. This is the master bathroom, and it comes with its mirror here and a shaving light. You also have a sink here and a water closet. On the other side, you have the showering area that comes with your showering equipment. This bedroom comes with a balcony. Let me show you. This is the balcony from the primary bedroom, and you can use it as a rest area as you enjoy the views of the rest of the estate. That's all for Bellagio Homes. If you want a unit with us, we have 10 units left. Feel free to like and share the video. I'll leave everything else in the description below. See you in the next video.